Hello guys, welcome back to the channel.
It's me, your fellow engineer. First of all, I've been quite busy these past few days because right now in Vietnam, we are celebrating the 2026 Lunar New Year, also known as Tết. So, Happy New Year to anyone who is celebrating. Now, getting back to work, as I mentioned in my first video on No Code No Life, I don't do traditional tutorials. Instead, I share my side projects step by step from requirements, gathering database design, and test stock selection to coding the backend and frontend. That's right, I will take you through the end-to-end journey of the product. My goal is to clearly to show the problem I face and exactly how I solve them. And as always, the code and documentation will be open source in the description for you to read and study. Okay, enough intro. Let's get to main part. Welcome to the first video of a new series, Shifty. Before we dive into the text, let me ask you a question. Have you ever worked part-time job while you were a student? For me, those part-time jobs taught me a lot about life. I used to work everywhere, night markets, movie theaters, game centers, and even fried chicken restaurants. But there was one thing I found extremely annoying: shift registration. Some places require us to comment on Facebook posts, others use yellow groups. It was a mess. Manager had to read every single message, often missing requests or mixing up schedules. The whole process was slow, manual, and prone to error. So, seeing these issues, I decided to build a solution. Introducing Shifty, the new Gen workforce management system designed to streamline shift registration and scheduling. It helps managers track employees easily, but here is the cool part. It features an AI-powered auto-scheduler. The AI analyzes employee availability and data to generate the perfect schedule automatically. In the next video, I will deep dive into the specific features, but for this series, we will break it down into 5 main stages. First is requirements analysis. Secondly is system design and architecture. Thirdly is coding about backend, frontend, and AI. Fourth is deployment, and final is final demo. Currently, I'm focusing on building the backend core using Golang, and I aim to finish it for the beginning of April. This video is just a quick overview to spark your curiosity. I want to hear from you. Comment below if you work part-time and tell me how shift scheduling works at your old job. Or it's a nightmare like mine? If you find this content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to follow the journey. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.